Did you know you can actually run multiple Android phones directly from the cloud? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple cloud-based virtual Android devices that you can access directly from your computer or browser. I'll show you exactly how to do it in free.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
If you are new to my YouTube channel, then just go to my YouTube channel and search here phone. And here you can see I already created 2-3 videos about how to get a complete free virtual phone without credit card or without anything. Here you can see you can also use this videos method, but in this video I will talk about this vsphone.com website, and this is completely free. And if you are interested to create AI videos in completely free or use cloud code in completely free, then just go to my YouTube channel. Here you can see I had already created many videos about Cloud Code AI or AI video generation or voice generation or website generation. Here you can see just visit this website vsphone.com, and here you can see play for free. Click on this. Now you need to log in with your Google or Facebook, or you can also use Temple. I will choose this. Simply log in with your Gmail and choose one Gmail account. If you had logged in multiple Gmail account, then click on this continue button. After logging your account, here you can see a pop-up, join the Discord community. You can also claim, and here you can see just select anything and click on this get trial. And here you can see you have 1 hour to claim. Let's claim this one also. And these are the invite friend to earn more. Now simply go to this home button, and here you can see 4 hour remaining system gift. Simply click on this, and here you can see preparing to running environment. And this is our virtual phone. Let's open Chrome. You can use it for 4 hours in completely free without card or without anything. If you want to log in or add new app, then simply you need to log in your Gmail account in Play Store to install app, or use this continue without an account. Then let's go to YouTube and search our YouTube channel. So by this way you can easily use cloud phone in completely free without browser stack or any another website. And for premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the Vivas Malik YouTube channel for simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell icon so you never miss an update. And for even better deal, detailed guide, and make sure visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.